Alright guys, I got a 2014 Accord here, and I'm gonna show you how to change a battery on this key fob here. And just to let you know, if you guys have issue with this light here, you see that it says battery and it's flashing right there, right? That's a sign the battery inside this controller is low, right? So simple, very simple. I'm gonna show you how to change this. Let me shut off the car. I'm gonna come out of the car now. All right guys, so ignore my little setup here and got the key right here. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna push on this little guy right here, right? You push on it, and after that you could use this as a tool, all right? The key as a tool. You go right there, and all you do is you twist it, and this whole casing is gonna open up. Or you could use a flathead screwdriver. Inside you have this battery. The number is CR2032. That's the number on it, CR2032. I'm gonna go get another battery and we're gonna change that. Alright guys, so I went and got the battery. This is the battery we're looking at right here, CR2032. Alright, so all you do is you open this up. So this is the battery right here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace it with that battery right there. Alright, so simply take this battery, the positive is up, so all you're gonna do is use a little flathead if you have a little tiny flathead, right? Don't damage anything in here, guys. This is a $300 piece right here, right? And it should come right out. The battery should come out. So you're gonna put it the same way. Positive has to be up. And there you go. After that, you take this little guy and you just clip it right back in. Take your key, stick it in, and that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. You're all done. Alright, so I'm all done. I'm gonna walk back to the car. We got our key right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on the car. I'm gonna leave the key right here. Oh, I gotta put my foot on the pedal. And the sign is gone, guys. You see that? The sign is gone. The battery sign is gone, all right? So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like all of my videos.